Good morning, Merry Christmas. Cam Burrell, Marshall, KPRC Channel 2 meteorologist. Let's take a look at our Memorial City camera shot. Rather tranquil this Christmas morning. Warm though, very warm and very muggy with some fog off the coast. Near record temperatures once again expected today with some isolated showers throughout the day as well. About a 30% chance, maybe 40% in some areas. The same thing for tomorrow and beyond. Then we've got those strong storms on Sunday and some colder air on the backside of it. Dense fog advisory off the coast from Matagorda to Galveston out 20 miles. Visibility less than a quarter of a mile. That advisory until 9 o'clock. Here's some of the inland areas here. Katy down to a quarter of a mile. Galveston right there proper 2.5 miles. Not very bad conditions throughout much of the rest of the area, but be advised as you go out you could run into some patchy fog going on. This morning temperatures mid-70s starting out. Normally our high for today is about 63. So that lets you know we're once again well above what the norms are. And the view of the wind from the south and southeast continues to pump in moist air as well. Throughout the day, we're going to be going up from the low 70s to the mid 70s. Low 80s for a high temperature today. I've got 81, 82 degrees for a high, and that is very close to the record territory. Look at the satellite radar shot. You see a lot of this moisture just being brought in from the Gulf. That's what's helping to create the rain chances all throughout the southern states, and that's part of a stationary boundary that's going to be a part of our issue for the next couple of days. And then we'll start to see from this warm front, it starts to move up to the north, and as it does so going into Sunday, that's when we start to see this area of low pressure and the surface start to interact with this front, this warm front that's going up. We've got colder air on the backside of that. All of that slides on through on Sunday, and that's going to give us our strong storms for us on Sunday. And then on the backside of that, colder air wrapping in. It's going to be quite cold, especially compared to what we've been seeing here. Here's a futurecast model for today. A little bit overdone on the rain showers you see today off and on throughout the day, 6 o'clock. Saturday, same thing. Saturday morning to tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock. Then you see going into Saturday and then Sunday morning, very early, big line to the north of us. And then throughout the day, by 10 o'clock or so, Sunday morning, 9, 10 o'clock, you start to see the strongest storms off to the west of us. But you see all of southeast Texas very much involved in all of these strong storms coming through. This is Friday. This is Sunday at 5 o'clock. So line of storm. And then you notice to the backside of that, snow, freezing rain, all of that on the backside of that, and colder air coming in. So it's going to be very treacherous on Sunday. So here's a strong winds, 40 to 60 mile an hour gusts, isolated tornadoes as well. Heavy rain expected with it, some light isolated flooding very likely, and some nickel-sized hail as well. This afternoon, high temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s, record territory for sure. Here's your 10-day forecast as we look at those warm temperatures until we get to Monday. After that front comes through, zip, right down they go. 30s once again for low temperatures for the rest of the week as we go into a happy new year.